In this video, we are going to understand the use of container elements in HTML. So in order to see the source code, right click anywhere and click on view page source. The code that is written for this particular page will be visible to us. At the top, this is the message. This is basically a comment in HTML, which tells that what we are going to do here. So we are learning the use of container elements, and this is one example of container element. That means HTML has a starting tag, which is called the opening tag, and this is the closing tag. So all the tags which are opening and closing separately, they are called the container elements. So other examples are head tag, because this is the opening tag of head and this is the closing tag of head. Likewise for the title, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Similarly for the body tag as well, opening and closing here. In this particular example, we have given two messages, one in the title and the second is in the body. And both the messages will be displayed on the web page like this. So I want you to follow my mouse pointer. The location where my mouse pointer is presently, you can see welcome to the world of web designing. This is the title of this web page, and the content that we wrote in the body tag is visible up here on the web page.